All right, part 10 here, Under the Wings 82. Now it's Margot Frank and Anne Frank, her younger sister, which I just did the kind of pencil understudy. I'll be going over it with black ink or dark brown ink, something like that. Here's the photo I used of Anne. Pretty. They were both very good looking. The pencil almost looks like a mustache, but that's just the shadowing. There'll be lots of dots again, like all around there and so on. How are we doing? Mazel, Prime Minister? Prime Minister Mazel, Dr. Chu? Everybody okay? Cooler today. Better for Step Papa. Okay, got about 20 more seconds, just gonna get to 2 minutes here. And then I will be drawing with ink, pens and so on. The usual. Okay, thanks for the feedback, appreciate it. My studio assistants are foul. That's F-O-W-L, not F-O-U-L. All right. I added some color on the facial portrait of Margot. Okay, and I changed the eyeglasses again. Artistic license, yep. Okay, to be continued.